Hi, I'm Imogen.
And I'm Georgia.
And we're going to teach you how to in two. Today we're going to show you how to change a battery in a car. We'll be using a Toyota Corolla.
Replacing a battery may seem like something you should do to your mechanic, but it's actually quite an easy thing to do yourself.
We'll be taking you through the process step by step, including how to charge your battery before installing it back in your car.
A memory keeper will retain information like radio codes, but this isn't necessary for older cars. First, lift the bonnet of the car. Some cars have the battery located in the boot, so you'll find it just under the matting near the spare tyre.
Next, you need to locate the battery. It should look like a large box with wires attached on either side to a positive and a negative terminal. Not like this. You're going to want to disconnect the negative terminal first with an 8mm or a 10mm wrench to avoid short-circuiting the car.
Next, you guessed it, disconnect the positive terminal. Unfasten the battery holder, disconnect any clamps and screws and lift it out of the car.
You can tell if your battery needs to be replaced or not by connecting it to a battery charger. We used C-Tech's Time to Go charger. You can recharge your battery if it's in good enough condition. If not, you need to purchase a new one. Select the recondition button. Connect the positive clip to the positive terminal and the negative clip to the negative terminal.
Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal with either an 8mm or a 10mm wrench.
Now you're finished. Close the bonnet and start the car to see if the battery works. If you need to dispose of an old battery, you can do so at auto supply stores, service garages and recycling centres. If you find a leak in your battery, you need to replace it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.